Pepper or kali mirch is a well-known Indian spice. It not only adds taste and flavor to your food but also has a number of health and beauty remedies. It has an active component called piperine that gives black pepper its characteristic taste. Plus, it contains iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, chromium, vitamin A and C, and other nutrients. Pepper works wonders in treating acute cold in the head. Take pepper candy for a few nights for good results. 20 grams pepper powder boiled in milk with a pinch of turmeric powder. Take daily once for 3 days to cure acute cold in the head.